Good morning, fam. If you woke up feeling tense, drained, or like your body's been bracing through the night, you're not alone. That tight spine, those locked up hips, that low hum of stress, most people carry it without even noticing. But this morning, you didn't ignore it. You pressed play, and in the next 5 minutes, we're going to release the weight your body's been holding, one breath, one stretch at a time. Don't miss the final move. It's where everything reconnects. Let's hit the mat. Let's begin by letting go. Sink your hips back to your heels, arms stretched out in front, forehead to the floor. If your knees are tight, spread them wider. Close your eyes and breathe deeper into your lower back. This isn't just a stretch, it's a reset. I promise 1 minute here calms your fight or flight system and signals safety to your brain. That shift changes how your whole body functions today. Beginners, support your head with the pillow. Advanced stretches, walk your fingers further out. Did you know this pose compresses your vagus nerve, activating calm in your nervous system? Stay 5 more seconds. Let everything melt down. Do you feel your back rise with your breath? That's a powerful sign your body's recentering. That just grounded your mind. Now let's awaken your strength. Now we light it up. Lie flat and knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Press through your heels and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Lower slowly. This move does so much more than just build strength. I promise this 1 minute reactivates your entire backside, glutes, hamstrings, core, and protects your spine throughout the day. Beginners, lift halfway and focus on glute squeeze. Advanced stretches, try single leg glute bridges next round. Glute amnesia is real. When they're asleep, your lower back pays the price. 5 more seconds. Can you hold that squeeze longer? Where do you feel it most? Your hamstrings or glutes? One of those may be overworking. That just activated your core support. Let's release your hips. Most people never do this, but your hips need it badly. Sit with your knees bent, feet wider than hips. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, then come back to center and alternate in a windshield wiper motion. This opens up your internal hip rotation, something we often lose from sitting too much. I promise this one move will improve your squat, your posture, and even how your back feels when you walk. Beginners, use your hands behind you for support. Advanced stretches, try it without using your hands at all. Internal rotation is the missing link for hip mobility, and most people never train it. Try 5 more rotations. Slow them down, make them smooth. Is one side stickier than the other? That imbalance may be showing up in your walk. That just opened your hips. Let's engage them with movement now. Let's bring everything together with flow and strength. Drop into a deep squat with your heels grounded. One hand stays planted on the floor. The other reaches up and twists open toward the sky. Alternate sides. This stretch challenges and restores your entire lower body and thoracic spine. I promise doing this regularly will bulletproof your hips and spine and unlock freedom in your movement. Beginners, sit on a block or elevate your heels. Advanced stretches, hold the twist longer before switching. Rotation plus squat equals the most primal human mobility combo ever. 5 more seconds. Can you twist just a little deeper? Can you keep your heels grounded while you rotate? That's a true mobility test. That just activates your whole frame. Now we cool it down and open your heart. This one is a gentle close. Sit tall, bring soles of your feet together. Let the knees fall open. Hold your feet or ankles spine long. Feel the release through your inner thighs, your hips, your back. I promise this 1 minute gives your nervous system a final cue that you're safe, open, and grounded to begin your day. Beginners, sit on a cushion to lift your hips. Advanced stretches, fold forward slowly and hold. Tight adductors equals lower back tension. This move addresses both. Hold for 5 more seconds. Can you sink just 1 inch deeper? Can you feel the stretch, or are you just sitting in it? Lean into the difference. That just sealed your recovery. Your body's primed and aligned. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or just driving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear your mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot. Rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.